The craziest part about this whole thing is that grown men have been acting like my body belongs to them since I was 16 years old. Like, I announce I'm going down 1 cup size and suddenly men are mourning. Don't do it. That's what you're known for. That's all you have. Honestly, it's disturbing because it proves my entire point. People got so comfortable sexualizing me. They started thinking they had ownership over me, over my body, over what I should look like for them. And the funniest part is I'm still literally gonna have boobs. I'm just making a decision for me, not for male nostalgia, not for the internet, not for the people who built an entire image around my body before I was even old enough to understand what was happening. The fact that some men are genuinely angry over 1 cup size is actually insane to me. Like, thank you for exposing exactly what I've been talking about this whole time.